Hello, viewers around the globe. This is Dr. Afshan Hashmi, and today, November 14, 2020, is Diwali. And happy Diwali to everyone. And so, I thought I would make a video for my friends because so many people have asked me that why Diwali is celebrated. So I thought I will make a video and send it to all my friends who have asked me and everyone. So friends, this is Dr. Afshan Hashmi, best-selling author of these two books, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection, and this is The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. So friends, if you have bought these two books, thanks a lot. If you haven't bought these two books, please go and buy these two books and give me an honest review. And I know many of my friends have bought the book but they haven't given me a review. So please go to Amazon or Barnes and Noble and please give me an honest review. And recently the two audio books of these two books were launched, so please, and they are also available worldwide. So please go and see if you like audiobooks, and you will love because there is a beautiful music and it is very serene music behind, so it gives you a very soothing effect when you hear it. And I have read these two books, and there was another guy who read the Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. And so now friends, having said that, happy Diwali, and I will tell you what Diwali is. Diwali, Deepavali, or Diwali is a festival of lights mainly celebrated by Hindus. The festival usually lasts 5 days and celebrated during the Hindu lunisolar month Kartika between mid October and mid November. One of the most popular festivals of Hinduism, Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. The festival is widely associated with Lakshmi, goddess of prosperity, and many other regional traditions connecting with the holiday to Sita and Rama, Vishnu, Krishna, Yama, Yami, Durga, Kali, Hanuman, Ganesha, Kubera, Dhanvatri, or Vishwakarman. Furthermore, it is in some regions a celebration of the day Lord Rama returned to his kingdom Ayodhya with his wife Sita and his brother Lakshmana after defeating Ravana in Lanka and serving 14 days of exile. In the lead up to Diwali, celebrants will prepare by cleaning, renovating, and decorating their homes and workplaces with diyas, which is oil lamps, and rangolis. During Diwali, people wear their finest clothes, illuminate the interior and exterior of their homes with diyas and rangoli, perform Lakshmi Puja, which is Lakshmi worship, ceremonies of Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity and wealth, light fireworks, and partake in family feast where mithai or sweets and gifts are shared. Diwali is also a major cultural event for the Hindu and Jain diaspora from the Indian subcontinent. So this was a little write up about Diwali which I wrote for my friends, and as you know, I am a India expert. And I am known as India expert everywhere, and this is like a cultural thing which can be changed into a class if you want to know more about the festivals of India. And friends, having said that, if you want to have those kind of needs to know about culture of India, you can contact me at afshan at drafshanhashmi.com, and my website is www.afshanhashmi.com or www.drafshanhashmi.com. And if you want review of your books or movies or makeup products, then you can contact me at Afshan at drafshanhashmi.com, and you can see what kind of video reviews I have done at my website www.afshanhashmi.com or www.drafshanhashmi.com. And here are my two books: The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection, and this book was released in 2019 when there was no trace of coronavirus, and here a virus ruins the human population. And this one is The Modern Mughal Mentality: New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. And recently, as I told you earlier also, that audiobooks of these two are launched, and they have beautiful background music and you will love them. So please go and buy these two books, or audiobooks, or Kindle, or in Nook, whichever format you like, and give me an honest review. And happy Diwali again, everyone, and I love you all. And this is cheers. And this is Dr. Afshan Hashmi now signing off from this episode, and see you in many of my video reviews. And yes, friends, I am running a discount on doing some interviews on my radio show, which has 300 million listeners. So go to my website and see what kind of discount I'm giving there for 15 minutes and 25 minutes interview, and you will get exposure to 300 million listeners, as well as my TV show is on Fox 5 Plus, and it has 6.2 million viewers. And please go and see that. And I have 6-minute segments which comes on every last Saturday of the Capital Forum of GTV, and it is broadcasted on Fox 5 Plus from 7 to 8 a.m. And there I have 6-minute segment, and from that 6 minutes I'm giving 1 minute for sponsorship. So if you can give me your ad and I will read it, and prices are very nominal. So please go to my website afshanhashmi.com and see what sponsorships are there, and write to me at afshan at drafshanhashmi.com. And bye bye, and cheers, and happy Diwali, everyone. Bye bye.